Right here, this is why you guys want a Sunnybrook concave right here. Like this is, when you can combine wheat like this and not over thresh it, and there's not a single kernel in that, like that's what we're going after here.
By the looks of this, like that is desirable.
You don't see that.
Piece with no seed left in it. That's beautiful.
Did you get that? That's beautiful. You don't see that every day out of him. The John Deere, like any factory concaves, you can't do that. You either, like you have to beat it up to the point where you're over threshing it to get everything out, and you're not combining, you're just pounding. Like this is dry wheat. This is wheat that was seeded on the 25th of April, and like it's like if you take the straw and like it is just like crispy. Okay, so now let's see what our losses are. It's up here, so there's your bushel. So it's like well under half, like of a bushel. Like, I don't know. Here's where if a person really, really wanted to start playing with it, like you change your wind 50 or 100 and see where it is again. The honest review is they're definitely better. Like for sure they're better, because like when you can gently combine versus like, you know, over threshing it, like to get the wheat out of the head on a John Deere combine, you have to thresh it more. So in some conditions, like where the wheat's dry like this, you'll overload the sieve. Like the John Deere ones did good too, but like there's no way to really tell, because there's no way we know that it was yielding exactly the same over there when we dropped the pan and when we dropped the pan where we were the first time with him. Like it doesn't matter, but it's never like cut and dry. There's always going to be some differences, but well, I like them. Like, yeah, now that I have these ones, I want to go and buy a set, or buy a set for a significant discount for the other X9.